welcome back to TJ's Life, and I am Tanja. Today I am going to do a small cash stuffing, and please excuse me, it's been a really long time since I've done this, but I felt inspired to do this to start off the new year. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I have my cash right here. And now this is one of my cash binders that I've had for a long time, and I'm just going to start off small, and then eventually I will go back into building up my other binders, okay? So today, let's see here, we are going to start off with my payday challenge. This is something that that I do. I've never seen anyone else do it in their cash stuffing videos. But what I do is the payday challenge is whatever date that I get paid on, that's how much I'm going to put into this envelope. So this month I got my first paycheck on the 11th. So I'm going to put $11 in here. 5, 10, 11. Okay, so I'm going to put that in here. Get my pen. So today is the 14th. 12, 14. And I added $11. And that's going to give me a balance of $11. Okay. And then next is going to be medical. And in my medical, I'm going to add 25. Which gives me a balance of $25. So 20. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to add some money to my grandkids envelope. So let me see how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 3 grandkids, so they're each going to get $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, he's my oldest grandchild. He is, God, I can't believe, 16 and a half. Where did the time go? So I'm adding $5. And I don't have a set amount to put in their envelopes. I'm just whatever ones I have. Basically, that's what I want to do. So $5 and Taze. Then August, she's gonna get $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12, 1, 4, $5 minus, 5. And another thing I need to keep track of how much in total that I put in here. Okay, so 11, 25, and then 5, oh, I messed that up, hold on, 11, 25, and then 5, 10, 15, so it's $51 so far. So, August. Then, same for Egypt. She's going to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, $5. And $5. This is going to be a really keep them short video. And then I created this envelope myself for the $5 challenge. So I need to take this out so I can mark this off. Let me see here. I got permanent markers somewhere. Alright. So $5 is going into my $5 challenge. It says mark dollar amount with a permanent marker or pen to track savings. And if I do this correctly, I should end up with a total of $6,890. If not, whatever I put in here is fine with me. I just want to see if I can do it. So let me go ahead and mark this off. Okay. And $5. Go ahead and put this back in right now. $5. So I have stuffed a total of $56 into this binder, and let's see if I can keep it up, right? Hopefully that I can. But yeah, that'll be all for this video. I just wanted to come on real quick and do a small cash stuffing. And until if you stay to the end, thank you so much. And if you wish to see more videos like this, just go ahead and hit the subscribe bell and then hit the bell one more time, just so that you can receive a notification every time I post a new video. So until next time, bye bye.